In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your Shopify partner account. This setup process is essential for anyone looking to partner with Shopify, offering you fantastic opportunities to grow your own business alongside Shopify's platform. Whether you're interested in developing apps, creating themes, or looking to refer businesses to Shopify, this step-by-step guide will help you get started smoothly. First off, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to Google. In the search bar, type in Shopify Partner Account and hit Enter. This search will lead you to the necessary links where you can begin your registration journey. Starting your journey with a Google search provides the most up-to-date results and ensures you're getting to the right place with the latest information from Shopify. Once you've completed your search, one of the first few links should prompt you to become a Shopify partner today. Click on this link to proceed. This page serves as your gateway to understanding the benefits and possibilities that come with being a Shopify partner. Shopify makes it fairly simple to navigate the initial setup phase. On this page, you'll find a clear layout of the information needed to proceed with your account creation. Upon reaching the Shopify Partner section, you'll see a Sign Up button. Clicking on this button will take you to the official sign-up page. Here, you'll need to enter your details to create an account. It'll ask for basic information such as your email address and a password. It's important to use an email that you regularly check, as this will be the primary means of communication with Shopify moving forward. At this point, take a moment to consider the details you choose for your account. For example, when you choose your password, opt for something secure and unique to protect your account. You might want to consider using a password manager to store your credentials safely if you have difficulty remembering complex passwords. Once you've filled in all the necessary fields, you're ready to finalize your registration by submitting the form. Soon after, you'll receive a confirmation email from Shopify. Make sure to verify your email address by clicking the provided link in this email. By doing so, you'll activate your account and fully be able to dive into the Shopify Partner dashboard. By following these steps, you're now an official Shopify partner, ready to explore the development and business opportunities available. Take some time to navigate through your partner dashboard. It's designed to give you all the tools and resources you need to succeed as a partner. Thank you for watching, and congratulations on taking the first steps in partnering with Shopify. Happy exploring!